Hello, good morning guys. So right now I'm the breakfast in this hotel and I want to show you what you can find in a Chinese breakfast. For my surprise, there is some kind of salad and fruits. Wow. We have some lettuce, red cabbage, as well as carrots, cucumbers, and sister is serving herself. Guys, we also have pumpkin, cooked pumpkin, as well as these cooked vegetables. Okay, so today is gonna be the last tour and hopefully we'll be enjoying it. I'll be showing you around. We're supposed to be going to Waterfall. This city looks like a ghost city, like there's no one on the streets and it's super foggy, so it's kind of scary even. Yeah.
Plant a tree. We call it in local dialect 黄蕨. Zhu means tree, 黄蕨树, and 蕨 means 果. It's the same pronunciation in Mandarin. So hence the name, the waterfall. 果树. Yeah, that's our today's itinerary. And now I want to ask you.
They sell a lot of sweet potato. We just arrived to the venue where we will be supposedly climbing to see some waterfalls, but it's super crowded. Can you see this? And it's not even a holiday.
For many Chinese, nothing says winter more than the baked sweet potato stalls by the street side. Chilling in the cold wind, you can hardly resist the fragrance in radiant warmth from a heated tin barrel on top of which lay the plump tubers. The vendor calls out to you,
Wow, jicama! This is jicama. In Mexico we eat it with lemon, salt, and chili. We love it. Jicama, bananas, persimmon. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Monsieur, comment ça va?
Ça va, très bien.
Okay, he came from France.
I come from France, from Clermont-Ferrand,
Okay,
in the center of the France.
is your first time in China?
Yes,
Wow.
indeed.
Okay, tell us some about your impressions so far.
I am very impressed first by the change, very rapid change, which is obvious in China.
Okay.
Everything is new.
The
We saw
development.
everything new, and we have been told about very rapid changes, development.
We are arriving. Waterfall is here. So this is the view of the waterfall from here. As you can see, it's really amazing, and there are so many tourists today here. So it isn't the most convenient, but in the past few days we hardly saw a soul walking on the streets, but today it's not the case. So many people, so many tourists.
Once again, we are in Guizhou. Not so many people have heard of this place, as it is unknown to travelers outside China. Guizhou is a mountainous province in the southwest of China, between Yunnan and Sichuan, famous for its waterfall, nature caves, and indigenous culture. This area has gained popularity over recent years due to its rapid, high-speed train development.
Okay guys, so we are here and there are a lot of tourists today, so I'm just gonna take a quick overview of how is this looking like.
So it's pretty packed up with people today. Welcome! From China with love.
Known as the Guangzhou Waterfall National Park, it is 45 kilometers southwest of Anshun City in Guizhou Province. Together with minor waterfalls, the charms of Guangzhou Waterfall are a nature tourist drawing card. All the waterfalls form a great family, which is ranked as the largest in the world in the Guinness Book of World Records. Approximately 300 years ago, the famous Chinese explorer, geologist Xu Xiaoke was quoted saying, "The foams rise from the rocks like a mist. The waterfall is with such a momentum that even the couplets scream of a pearl released from hooks or silk that hangs on faraway peaks cannot describe to the full its majesty."
Welcome to Guangzhou in Anshi City. It'll be my pleasure and honor to be delighting you with a beautiful cascade. Let's go and take a look. Visiting our last spot in this trip, and look at this. It's really so special over here. Looks like somehow the bonsai trees, but it's not that.
And we can, according to your house size, to decide which one you want. And we also can make the very mini painting.
Okay, so let's take a look at the different shapes we have over here. Super special.
The different varieties as well. The Chinese like to put trees and rocks together, especially rocks that are all different shapes. And these are crazy, crazy shapes here. Oh yes. Now imagine how they moved this. How did they get this rock into place? These here, they like to have intertwined trees and also collections of trees as well. Not just one individual bonsai tree. And then they like to have very strange hanging shapes. This one is being grown here, and then in the future they will grow it down over here, so it will come down here. A tree going up is fine, but a tree coming down, that's very unusual. And then here, you see you have the tree.
Looks like a ginger fruit.
It does. It looks like it might be a rock. Actually, this one looks like a monster. The tree has grown into the rock. The shapes are really interesting, but this one's been burnt very, very serious. Like, it's been in a fire.
Wow.
And usually they clip them and prune them and keep them much tighter than this. These are very, very wild trees, but they're very beautiful.
Wow. All these shapes. Wow, this is so tetric. Horror movie kind of tree. No leaves.
Look at this one.
And the
Yeah.
roots.
That's
It's
very
like a
horrible.
walking tree.
Halloween, that is.
Wow! How many different kind of trees will be here? There's so many.
Well,
And
this
each one
place
is
makes
different.
So much money that they can afford to invest in very, very old trees. Some of these must be hundreds, maybe even thousands of years old.
Really?
Oh yeah, I would imagine a tree like this, I mean, to grow a trunk that thick and yet that small would probably be maybe 300 to 500 years.
For real?
Perhaps this crazy one over here at the edge. Let's move over here through the grass. These first. You see that one that catches your eye right in the corner?
Okay.
This one over here, that's a wild one. That's obviously very, very old too.
Wow. That trunk is super
Creepy.
big. So wide.
Yes.
So strong as well, I guess. Wow, it even has some holes in there.
Wow, this really is the most amazing garden I've seen.
Me too. Of trees.
Yeah.
Wow. This one over here is like...
Yeah. Some of these trees have got real character. They look as though they could come alive any minute.
Okay guys, we arrived to one of the most beautiful scenic spots in here, and this is our view. So here is beautiful Paula. Hello! It's our first time in Guiyang, and she will say something related to what is her opinion on this trip so far and if she will ever want to come again. A ver. She's shy, just bear with her. Okay, so
Okay, well, my opinion, I like it. It's very beautiful. There's like a lot of nature. what I don't enjoy is that it doesn't have a lot of vegetarian options or vegan. But yeah, people are very friendly. It's nice.
Will you come again?
Yep.
From China we love.
Very good.
The giant GUANGZHOU waterfall is the most magnificent member in the family and the only waterfall that can be viewed from above, below, front, back, left and right in the world. It is also with a water contained cave in the back through which the tourists can hear, view and touch the waterfall. The water crashes down from the river into the Guizhou pond, creating a thundering noise that can be heard from far away. The area has a moderate climate, with an average temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius, and importantly, fresh air.
So they take your picture here just as they Photoshop the picture and it's a beach.
The area usually gets so packed up with Chinese tourists visiting from all over mainland, so I will strongly recommend you to avoid visiting the place during any Chinese holiday for your convenience.
I'll find you a spot. Wait. Okay, let's move. Spot over here.
This is madness! But it's fun. We are trying to find a spot so I could take some pictures or a video for you guys.
It's too late.
Is it your first time coming here?
Oh yes, and this one is so big and so many people here.
So many people.
So crowded.
Why is it so many people if it's not holiday?
It's so famous. The waterfall is the biggest in China. So many people
The
come
biggest
here.
in China?
Yes. Even in Asia.
The biggest waterfall in Asia! Wow!
I'm surprised. Still so many people after national holiday.
Yeah.
And we even need to squeeze in a space to find a spot to take pictures. I like to be in the crowd.
That was really unexpected!
What?
Sister really dislikes crowds, so she already left.
Yeah. Actually, more people, more fun.
Wow! So that's what Chinese think about. Whenever you see a lot of Chinese, they will gather and gather more and more because they think something fun is happening, right?
Yeah, that sounds fun. Hi guys, we are in the other side of the waterfall. We're going to explore the waterfall at the 360 angle. I'm so happy to walk along with this beautiful lady.
So I have some questions for you.
Hi guys.
If anybody wants to come to the waterfall by themselves, is it possible?
They can come here by themselves, but usually people come here with a group, with a family, and they like to have a tour guide to tell them the story. And as you can see, there are so many people behind us. It's like thousands of people in the park.
Do you recommend any website or any tour guide in special?
Website in Chinese, we like to log on Ctrip and to find everything about the site, the food, the sceneries, and also you can contact the tour guide themselves. Also, if you like it, I can be your tour guide as well. 大家好，这里是黄果树瀑布的旁边。你看，这个黄果树瀑布非常大、非常高，气势宏伟，非常壮观。Welcome to the biggest waterfall in Asia. The best season to come to visit waterfall. from my experience, I think the summer is the best season because after rain, in the summer after rain, you can see the rainbows next to the waterfall.
Wow!
The waterfall is so pretty.
Rainbows!
Yeah, sometimes you can even see double rainbows next to the waterfall after the rain.
So she saw that I'm just eating fruits and vegetables the whole trip.
Yeah, I'm so curious about why she's eating so many vegetables and fruits. So today I find out she's got so good figure and she's doing yoga and she's living a very healthy life. That's why. And most importantly, you know what? She eats lots of bananas every day.
Yeah, I love ananas actually.
We have to eat more bananas after this trip because we know the secret to how to keep figure. So cute! So I have to try this after I go back. Wow, the elevator takes us already 10 minutes.
10 minutes more! Guys, what is this fruit? I am really unaware of. Looks like a big onion, but it's not an onion.
Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, to leave me your lovely comments below, because I'm gonna be very excited to give you a heart and a reply very soon. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you wish, become Patreon.